What's up, guys? Welcome back for another trade. Hope y'all had a good rest today, to be honest. So, I woke up good today, excited for the markets, trying to see what I can get or not get, opportunities. But, hope you had a well rest. So, got a trade today. So I'm gonna explain my thought process, why I did it, how I did it. So, let's get straight into it again. So, I did take 7 trades today. I gotta fix that. I'm taking a bit. Like yesterday, I did good. I only took 1 trade. I disciplined myself. But today, I took 7, and I had 2 good trades. These 2 trades, I should have stopped after these, but after that, it kind of just I should have stopped. I should have disciplined myself with just these 2 trades, and that would have been it. I would have had a good winning day. Yeah, just 2 trades is enough. I gotta limit myself. I gotta like. This is why I like TradeZilla. It keeps me on track. I'm realizing what I'm having wrong. I was patient today. I waited for these setups completely. I didn't feel any emotion like pulling the trigger, but I do have to like really limit myself toward like only 2 trades. So let's get straight into it. So I want to like go over my pre-market plan before we like get into any of that other stuff. So again, so our pre-market plan and like what happens before the market opens up, we gotta know. So this is what ES looks like before the market opens up. 15 minutes, 30 minutes before the market opens up. We can see yesterday that price went down yesterday and then went back up. And now right now we're at this moment we are balanced on ES. So unless we get the only thing I'm really gonna trade, unless we get an imbalance or fake out at the top or the bottom, I'm not really looking to trade in ES, I'll be honest. Because I really don't like how it's like really it's just balance, It's not really an opportunity to trade. That's what my opinion is. So, but I think we are going short today. We're going short. And I feel like the market is going to go bearish today. Why? Because we still have key levels to take out. We have 1, 2, 3 new key levels to take out. And we are at all-time highs. We literally created a new all-time high. So I'm like, okay, there's no way we're going up. And especially with news today, we had unemployment claims, which did absolutely nothing. So there was no distribution in London session. So New York session coming into it, there's going to be a ton of distribution. And I know we're going to have distribution on New York session. So that's my plan, that today is going to go bearish. 5 minute, as you can see, we're getting a closer look. We are consolidating around this area. Now on NQ, higher time frame, I like NQ. I'm gonna trade NQ way better. Why? Because we're in an imbalanced state, and this helps. This is more with my strategy. We either get a retest or price acceptance, or retest or price acceptance, and I like going with retest or price acceptance. Haven't really done fake outs. Haven't really gotten a chance to really do fake outs. I'll be honest, because we haven't had a balanced market in quite a while, except for ES. But ES, I'm not really trading, looking toward fake outs. We're having more opportunities in retest or price acceptance or imbalances. So in EQ, I'm looking for a retest or price acceptance or a retest up here and price acceptance. But like I said, I know we're going to be bearish today. Why? Because if the market is not being balanced, look at this. It retested and it imbalanced. Price does not want to push up and be balanced up there. It does not want to. So we can see this. 1, imbalance. 2, imbalance. 3, imbalance. 3, retest. Price is rejecting it. It does not want it. It does not want to stay balanced in the top of the area. So this gives me some sort of like, okay, maybe I'm not going to look toward a retest, but I'm going to keep that in mind. I'm going to look for a retest, right? But I'm leaning more toward price acceptance. Price is going to accept into these value areas. So that's my idea on NQ. And, oh, I haven't done my aftermarket open, but whatever. So before market opens, we see NQ. Honestly, think NQ will retest at the top of the valve area, if anything. Either it goes short, or price will accept into either one of the valve areas. Leaning toward more, like I said, leaning into this valve area, and price accepted into that. And what I want to do before I start trading, before the market opens, I want to be more patient with this and watch how price reacts to NQ is when it's not when it is accepted or not accepted into any balance at all. Now, yes is more of a balance state than imbalance, so I'm just looking for fake out opportunities or absorption. And then I'm not really like focused as much on a yes, but I will keep an eye on it. So let's get straight into it. I'm gonna explain my trade, why I did it. So we caught a 3.2 hour trade on NQ, which was amazing. So let's go toward it. I'm gonna explain it before I explain my trades a little. So market opens, it's 9:30, and now we can see it's retesting. Did I go for a long here? No, I did not go for a long. People are gonna be asking. Well, actually, here's the thing. I did go for a short here, but then I exited out early. I was like, all right, I gotta chill out. I exited out early, as you can see right here. I have to be more patient. Actually, no, I went for a long here. I don't know why I did that. I thought I went for a short, but I exited out early, lost 38 bucks. It's whatever. I don't mind that, but I exited out early. I realized it was dumb. I gotta wait for more confirmation, and that's what I did. Exited out early, was undisciplined. I didn't like that at all. So I waited for my setup, was disciplined, was patient, and it rewarded me for the opportunity that I got. As we can see here, price opens up. We can see a retest, but price doesn't push. Then all of a sudden, price pushes down with heavy impact, with heavy pressure. As we can see, we had about 4.5k buy or sellers, but up here we had about like 1.1k when it started out. So Delta is telling me, okay, we're having a strong amount of sellers coming into the market. We're having stacked imbalances. So, and the candle is about to end. So I'm gonna wait till the next candle to see how price truly reacts. And then when the other candle comes, we have a strong amount of buyers. Another one coming in to the market. So I have an idea of that. So as we can see, market just doesn't want to go up. It doesn't want to accept going up anymore. It price accepted and we get an imbalance. That gives me even more. We're having stacked imbalances. We have another imbalance in the candle. We have strong amount of pressure coming in of sellers, even on the higher time frame as well. So this is giving me an idea of like how is price going to react. Oh shoot, really don't like that. So again, this is giving me an idea how is price going to react. Okay, I really don't like this. All right, whatever. We're gonna duplicate this one and then take this out, whatever. So this is giving me an example of like how is price going to react, and as soon as I see that, I enter pretty early, like and not early, but did wait for my setup, put my stop loss above this high of the candle, the 5 minute, entered somewhere around here, and then targeted the daily low, which I think was around here. If we go to TradingView, we can see, no, that's a yes. We can see TradingView, yep, right here. Daily low, that's what we targeted. We had a 3.2 RR and we won the trade perfectly. Price went down and accepted it. But here's the thing, I did initially target an 8.4 RR trade and it won. I feel like I should have been more patient. I could have at least taken 70% or 4 contracts out or 3 contracts out of the daily low and then let 1 contract right out toward that ARR and it won. The reason I targeted ARR one was because the weekly low was right here and it was close to the value. So that gave me, and we're having strong amount of pressure. So initially I did target um an ARR trade. I should have let it ride out at least 1 contract. I didn't. I got a big, I guess not really fear. I just took what the market gave me at 3.2 R. I was happy with that, but I already knew the market was going to go bearish, completely bearish. I was fully confident on that, but I still took out. I feel like I got a bit too greedy. Well, not greedy. I don't say it's greedy, but a bit of fear. Not letting it ride out. I should have. Should just, what could I have done better? I could have broke even right here. and then just let it completely ride out after it hit my TP into the ARR. Honestly, I should have. It didn't happen, so it is what it is. But it is crazy seeing that the ARR that I put initially did win because I was targeting the weekly low and it hit like in a matter of 5 minutes, right? Uh, so yeah, hit in a matter of 8 minutes. So that would have been an insane trade and crazy trade. I would have liked it, but I took a 3.2 R, so that's fine. I'm happy with that. Back to TradeZilla. In Q, 5 out of 5 emotions. I didn't hesitate and was patient when I pulled the trigger, so I liked my emotions there. I really didn't feel anything. I just pulled it and it won instantly. Things I could have done better. I guess I could have been more patient with my trades, like letting it ride out. If I did, I would have more R. Limit my trades, definitely limit my trades today to these two. Just could have taken 2 trades and that would have been it. And if I took the first 2 trades, I would have won 100% for the day. Discipline myself even more and less trades. Mistakes, not controlling my emotions better. I guess I got more of a FOMO, wanted to look for more opportunities. Um, I should have just stopped trading after these two, like I said. Limit my trades, yup, and not being more patient. Now, when I say not controlling my emotions, I forgot. I don't mean like the trade on like triggering, like pull the trigger and being scared to go into the trade. I mean like that. My emotions were fine for the day on the trades. That's why I put this. I just mean like controlling my emotions after the trades, looking for more opportunities. Now, not being more patient on letting my trades ride out for more RR, I would have had a 3.4 RR trade if I let it ride out. But it is what it is. Stop loss was above the 5-minute high, as you can see, and take profit was on the daily low. Overall, I liked how it traded today. We got a 3.2 RR, and yeah, now let's go on to the second trade. I'm explaining why I did this and how. So, as we can see here, sorry guys, doing something real quick. Alright, if we go into ES, we can see here completely, I did trade on ES. For the first time ever, I traded on ES, guys. Okay, come on, come on, come on. You gotta give me props. I won this trade too, alright? Usually I trade on NQ, but ES was looking volatile as well today. So, I caught a 2.4 RR trade. Oh, I forgot to do my playbook. On NQ, the playbook, you can see why enter the trade. My entry criteria was stacked imbalances on the candle, strong pressure with lots of sellers, and delta showing strong pressure as well. Exit criteria was a daily low, order marker level, and the market condition was imbalanced. Now ES, we had a 2.2, 2.4 hour trade. So let me explain why I took this trade. So NQ was going volatile, right? So I finished my trade here, and I wasn't going to re-enter off of it. Obviously, I could have re-entered off of this, but I'm not going to scout to this like next Valkyrie. I could have. I'm not going to do that though. It's not me. I'm not just going to scout. The best opportunity would have been up here and would have been right there. An AR trade. But I'm not going to re-enter again on this. Now, again, I'm not going to re-enter off of it. So let's do this instead. Bam. I like ES. There's nothing to target, or there is something to target, the weekly low, but as you can see, we just don't have like any like tight value areas, key levels that I need to watch out for on ES. Now, ES, we can see that, all right, I traded this because if we go into a higher time frame, we can realize, hey, we're having a strong amount of pressure coming in. We're having even more sellers coming in, and like this one. And what I mean by that, if okay, I want us to look at the hourly session on this. I'm like, I want us to look at the hourly session on NQ versus ES. ES, we have about like 5K buyers coming in, like pushing out right here. And NQ, we have even without like even with NQ finishing the candle, we only had about 4.5. It's still a lot of sellers, aggressive sellers coming in, but 5K buyers, and then like down here it says almost 7,000 sellers, and we have like around this area we had about 5,000 sellers. So I'm like, dang, we're having more pressure, even more confidence, conviction to enter on ES. 5,000 sellers coming in, strong pressure. And if we go into a smaller time frame, what do we see? we see imbalances already forming into the candle as we start, and we see imbalances coming out. So I'm like, okay, this is giving me strong conviction, really strong conviction. We had a stacked imbalances opening the candle, and we have even more imbalances coming out of it. In a higher time frame, we have about 5,000 sellers, but now when the candle's finished, 7,000 sellers. Now in the smaller time frame, we have about 2.2. We had about 2,000 sellers on that 5-minute candle alone. So I'm like, dang, all right, this is more conviction, more confidence. We're coming out strong out of this valve area. So this is giving me even more confidence. So what do? I enter on it. I put my stop loss right above that extreme, or right above that volume when it was like live trading. Then I entered pretty sure around here. Then I targeted the daily low, which was 118. No, no, no. It wasn't the daily low. Right here. It wasn't the daily low. I know what I targeted. I was targeting the weekly low, but I got out early. I don't know why I got out early. I remember I was like, all right, I gotta go somewhere and do something real quick. So I'm just gonna like take my winnings right now since I have to go somewhere and do something real quick. And I'm gonna just take it, my winnings. So I got out early at a 2.4 RR. And I was happy with it. I'm not mad about it. We won our trade. Obviously, my initial target was the weekly low all the way down here, which it reached. And we would have completely won. We would have had an insane trade. But again, like I said, we won. Now, before we do that, my playbook, here's why I entered on the trade again. My entry criteria, stacked imbalances on the candle, which showed strong pressure with lots of sellers showing on the the candle alone. Even on Delta showing strong pressure, as you can see. 2.2, which is insane. Now, my exit criteria, it didn't reach an order marker level, really didn't reach anything. I just kind of got out early because I had to go somewhere and do something, but I was happy with a 2.4 R. Obviously, I could have held to a 6.7 R to where that weekly low was. I would have had an insane amount of R, would have had an insane amount of win. I would have liked that, but I was happy with the 2.4. I'm fine with that. And the market condition was balanced for a second. I wouldn't say it's completely balanced like this, going straight down. But on a smaller time frame, it was balanced. That's why I put it like that. And then it turned into an imbalance breakout. So that's what I did. Again, guys, so this is basically all my trades. Oh, yes, we had a 5 out of 5 emotions. I didn't hesitate in the trade. I was patient and I pulled the trigger great. Things I could have done better, again, with NQ, limit my trades. Took the first trades and won, discipline myself more. Now, stop loss was above that. Wouldn't say the 5-minute candle, but the extreme high. Or 5-minute, or just, or stop loss was above the value area. The value area. Let me just do that. And I was targeting, again, my profit target, take profit was the weekly low, which we didn't get. We went out early, but that's basically it. Overall, I liked how I traded this today. Got a 2.4 R out of it, and I won. So that's just it. Exactly like I said, guys, we would have had a 6.7 R right here to the target in this weekly low if we held. I should have stayed. Honestly, not even. I should just let it ran. I should have just broke even right there and just let it ran. Like, honestly, that's what I should have just done. Then I should have gone do my just go do my thing, you know. NQ again. We same thing with NQ. I could have just broke even right here. The candle almost touched it, but didn't necessarily touch it, as you can see. As you can see, didn't necessarily touched it. So I could have just broke even and let the one contract ride to that 8 RR, and I would have won. Today was a good day. I won. I got a great amount of like R off of this trades. I got a 3.2 R, and I got a 2.4 R. Obviously, this is a lesson that, yeah, I can hold for more R, knowing that today was going bearish and my analysis was correct. As you can see, 6.7 would have won that, 8.4 would have won that, even more R. But I did win today, and I'm gonna take that as a great winning day. But obviously, I have a lot of flaws to fix and make better. Like these trades, these were dumb trades, dumb trade, discipline, FOMO, dumb trades, discipline, FOMO. These two trades as well. I should have just stopped after these two trades, these two great trades. Then that's it, guys. That's all for my trades, and I appreciate y'all being here. Um, Sorry for a bit of a long video. So thank you for sticking out into this video. Appreciate y'all. All right, now y'all take it easy. God bless y'all. Stay blessed.